Hi everyone, welcome to our weekly Q&A session, and today's topic is tracking and creating a campaign. Here's the agenda for today. We will talk about what is a campaign in RedTrack. We will talk about tracking link and tracking script and what to choose, how to create a campaign, and filtering options available in RedTrack. So what is a campaign? It is a set of rules and elements that link together traffic source and the offers that are being promoted. The main purpose of creating a campaign is to create and get the final link you'll send the traffic to. This link unites all your elements, your affiliate network offer, your traffic source, landing page if you're using one, and automates the process of tracking and redirects. So within a campaign, you can set different rules, filters, weights, so the traffic is distributed the way you need it among your lenders and offers. We do have two different ways of tracking your campaign. It is a tracking link and a tracking script. Tracking link is the link you use to send the traffic to. It is a unique link that is generated and processed by the tracker, and you may use this tracking method with the traffic sources that accept redirects, as the tracking link works the way you can see on the image below. Here we have, as an example, some random tracking link from RedTrack. You can see the campaign ID here, the sub-parameters, and it redirects to google.com, but in real conditions, it will be your landing page or offer. Another option is a tracking script. There are two variations of tracking script. First one is a simple tracking script for one traffic source. The script is to be put to your page code, and it tracks clicks, page views, and the rest of the data the redirect link does. But it doesn't use cookies and is Facebook friendly. Another option we have is the no redirect script that allows to use several traffic sources at the same time. With its help, you will be able to use the same lender for 3, 4, or even 5 different traffic sources, including Facebook and organic traffic. We do have guides on both no redirect methods, so you can check it anytime and set your campaign the way you need. Now we will proceed with the campaign creation in RedTrack to make it more clear for you to understand how does it work. And to make it a little bit more clear, let's imagine we have the following conditions to be set. We will use some random max bounty offer. We'll use propeller ads as a traffic source. We will have to use a custom tracking domain. We will need to hide the referrer data in our campaign. We will have a CPC campaign, cost per click. We will need to rotate for lenders and for offers, and we'll divide them to 2 different groups, 2 lenders plus 2 offers, and the other 2 lenders plus the other 2 offers. We will need to set only USA traffic for the first group of lenders and exclude macOS traffic from the second group of lenders. So let's proceed. We'll go to your RedTrack account. Here's my test account. First of all, make sure you have added the offers. I already have 1, 2, 3, 4 offers for Max Bounty. Lenders, you can find the guides how to add your lenders and offers in our previous Q&A sessions. Add your traffic source. For me, it will be propeller ads, for example, but you can use, of course, any. And of course, the network. So let's proceed with the campaign creation. Press new button, name campaign somehow. Select traffic source, it will be propeller ads. Domain, in our conditions, we'll have to use a custom tracking domain, so I will choose this one, as I have 2. I like this more. We will need to hide the referrer data, so choose HTTP redirect with hidden referrer. it will hide all the referee data from your affiliate network. If you do not need to hide, choose the first one. These two redirect methods hide the referee only partially. So if you need to hide all the data, choose the last one. Campaign cost, we do have CPC, CPA, CPM, rev share, do not track, as you wish. Make sure to put the value in percents for rev share campaign. It's important. But we have a CPC, so we'll set a value, for example, this. This will be the value for a click. Enable fraud check if you need to check your clicks to exclude some bad traffic, bot traffic. It costs additional fee per 1,000 checks, 10,000 checks. So you just decide whether you need it or not. Then we will proceed with one of the most important things, adding lenders and offers. In our first stream, we will set LP1 red and LP2 blue, and accordingly offer 1 red and offer 2 blue. Set the weight the way you need it. For example, in this case, I have equal numbers, so the traffic will be distributed equally. If I will set, for example, this way, the first landing page will be shown more often to the visitors. And in our conditions, we have to accept only USA traffic for this stream. Just press filters, add a filter, countries, and choose the type include or exclude. We will choose include. It will be United States. So that's it with this stream. Then we add the second stream. Add the rest of the lenders, landing page 3 and landing page 4. The same, set the weight the way you need it. Offers 3 and 4. And we need to set the filter of excluding Mac OS. Choose OS here, choose exclude and Mac OS. That's it. It's pretty simple. Press save, and you can see that your campaign tracking URL is being generated automatically here. You will have to copy it and then put to your traffic source to run the traffic through this tracking link. If you need to get your direct traffic script for Facebook, for example, you will need to enable it in your traffic sources settings first. So I will show you on Propeller Ads example, but Propeller Ads accepts redirect links. So in most cases, now redirect traffic is about Facebook. Here we have switch, direct traffic. Press save. Return to the campaigns. Since we have already chosen Propeller Ads here, you can see the direct traffic script is being added here. You will need to copy it as well and put to your landing page code. So you can use then the landing page for running your traffic, and script will collect all the necessary data. What is important about direct traffic script is also that you will not be able to rotate landing pages. So if you have a direct traffic campaign, you can use only one landing page and one stream, but you can still use filtering options. So that's it about settings. I will check for the questions if you have any. So I can see you do not have any questions. That's good, but you all know that we are always here to help you. You can always contact support@redtrack.io. We will answer all your questions, help you with the setup. So have a nice day and bye-bye.